This is the UGC1006C range of spray gun cleaners. Compact mini systems, high powered, fast colour changes with high powered clean rinses available on the system. These systems are compact in design. It means it won't take up so much space in your workshop. Strong stainless steel construction, 304 high grade stainless steel, non-magnetic, and that means it is highly resistant to any corrosion. It's a Venturi system, completely pumpless in operation, so there is very little mechanical issues that can go wrong with the machine. Compact in design with your solvent tank on the left hand side and your water-based tank on the right. The UGC1006C is just a single tank system which you will use for either solvent or water. Solvent side has fume extraction, which will take the fumes away from the operator, which is vented off to atmosphere. This takes the fumes away from the operator when you're cleaning with solvent. Inside the tank, you can see adjustable stiff nylon brush. This brush can be used for cleaning the air cap, but at the same time, you adjust the brush so that when you're blowing through the spray gun, we blow out into the bristles of the brush. The reason we do this is so that we absorb the atomized spray of the cleaning fluid and that we don't get any blowback in the operator's face. There's an air whip line on the side which you can connect your own quick release coupling to. It's not supplied with the coupling, but if you fix your actual air coupling that you use on your spray guns, you can attach the spray gun up to the system so that when we blow through at the same time, we push and suck the fluid through the spray gun in a highly efficient manner, in the same way that we would spray paint. Inside the tank, you'll see the brass cleaning nozzle. This is a Venturi nozzle which uses a mixture of air and liquid. A high-powered cleaning system which will deliver approximately 80 ml of cleaning fluid for every minute of operation as it's running. On the side of here, we have an adjustable air blow system which you can use for drying your spray gun over the outside or through the inside. With the adjustments of the brush, it's perfectly capable for cleaning mini gravity-fed spray guns, or you can use full-size gravity-fed spray guns. All you simply have to do is adjust the brush at the back to point the bristles at the air cap for when you're cleaning. Front panel regulators to adjust your air pressure of the system here, and the left hand side we have a regulator here to adjust the airflow to your fume extraction. The UGC1006C range of spray gun cleaners are wall mountable mini cleaning systems designed to be highly efficient for rapid colour changes and efficient use of your cleaning fluid. If you'd like any further information, please visit our website www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.